Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nesthembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please, please, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers.
Guys, I am confused. Bazalwane. I am confused. I want you to help me and unconfuse me, right? Ushap kamusa. This was the last trip. Everything is the last something. Fine, sharp, no problem. We don't want her to go, but that's her decision. She needs to go. It's the time for her to go. Sorry, man. I was disturbed for a moment there. Ugel Johnny Walker, right? But there's something that disturbed me. When Umu Samseluku was talking about the houses that he bought for every woman, Umangwabe was counted in. Ugro acknowledged it. Ugro said she doesn't like it, but she's doing it for the kids because abantwana basafuna ukuhlala lapha nabafuna ukuhlala down. Now, the part that makes me confused ukuthi awusayifunde ndoda. Why would you want to go and live endlini ethengwe wuye, knowing ukuthi uzoza kuleyo ndlu because that's his house, that's your matrimonial home? I-umbilical cord le nithi siyayikhatha siyikhatha kanjani? Like ngihlala nisho nithi prepare your exit while you are still in. Prepare kanjani le exit? Thenga indlu together with the very guy that I want to exit, and then I don't know, guys. I'm confused le nto kaMangwabe, honestly. Like when we bona beyang